Hey Megan, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you outlining how you guys can get more traffic headed to your guys' website. So looking at your guys' website, we're going to give you a quick website audit, kind of go over what I see with your website and anything I think that you guys could change that would help with your guys' conversions once people are getting to your website. We're going to look at some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of traffic headed to your guys' business. Then we'll look at what the competition is for those keywords and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at your guys' website, there's definitely a few recommendations I do have for you guys. The first one and one of the most important things is making this phone number a click to call. People are doing a lot of mobile search these days, and so for them to be able just to click on this phone number and automatically connect with you guys would be huge for your business, and it would really help with your conversions once people are getting to your site. Another one is you guys don't have any kind of contact form on this homepage. You do have your contact form tab here, but putting a contact form on this homepage would definitely help you guys out for people getting a hold of you guys, because really as a consumer, people are looking for whatever is easiest and whatever company is going to be the easiest to get a hold of. The last thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, and this one actually improves your rankings, is the amount of content you have on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is that the top ranked sites all had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So with that content, you also want to make sure you include some high search volume keywords. We're actually just going to look at one of them today, but there are definitely more keywords out there, and including those in your content will allow people, when they're searching for these keywords, that Google will know to pull you guys up in those search results. So those are kind of my recommendations for your guys' website. Looking at keywords, we're going to head over to Ahrefs. So this is a tool I use that they have a 7-day, $7 trial. So if there's ever something you guys wanted to verify in this information, feel free to do that. But looking at pest control, Greenville, South Carolina, there's currently 500 searches per month for this search term. Being in the top spot just for this one keyword, you can usually count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed to your guys' business. So looking at pest control, Greenville, South Carolina, we're going to head over to Google now. There's a couple different things we're looking for here. Google Guarantee, this is a new thing they launched probably about a year ago. This is definitely a way you can generate leads coming into your business. You're going to see a lot higher return on investment by organically ranking your business in the local search here in the GMB or 3-pack and getting your business organically ranked here. You guys are already in the GMB, so fantastic. That's awesome. You guys are well on your way to having a successful SEO campaign. Looking at the organic results, professional pest control, termite control, Walker Pest Management is the top ranked. So we're going to look at their site in just a sec, but I wanted to show you guys kind of what you had going on for the back end of your site first. So looking at your guys' website, we're heading back over to Ahrefs, and what this also allows me to do is see what's going on at the back end of your site and what influences how it's ranking. So currently we're looking at 24 backlinks and 13 referring domains. The best way to describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the most popular kid in school, or site A, and he links himself to the least popular kid in school, or site B. And by linking himself, what happens is we get some of that popularity coming from site A back to site B, and in turn it brings up the popularity and makes it more popular in Google's eyes and brings it up in the rankings. So you guys again have 24 backlinks from 13 referring domains, and the referring domains is really the most important part here. And what's even more important with the referring domains is if they're do follow or not. That do follow is important because that means you're getting some of this what we call backlink juice coming back to your website, and in turn it's going to be helping bring up that popularity. So currently you only have 8 do follow domains. You're on your way, but definitely have some room for improvement when it comes to your backlinks and your SEO. Looking at the competition, Walker Pest Management, they do have a little bit more content on this homepage, nothing that's unsurpassable. Looking at the back end of their website, they currently have 727 backlinks from 116 referring domains, but only 77 of those are do follow. So very, very, very doable to pass these guys up and get into that top spot for pest management in Greenville, South Carolina. If you have any questions on anything I talked about in this screencast, definitely feel free to reach out. Love to talk to you more. Thank you.